Ever wonder how websites magically adapt to your phone screen versus your desktop monitor? That's media queries at work. A media query is a CSS rule that applies styles conditionally based on device or viewport characteristics. Think of it as asking your browser a question: is the screen narrow? Is it high resolution? Then media queries let you respond with different styling rules. This is the core mechanism that makes responsive design possible. Media queries use the @media syntax. You write @media, then specify a condition in parentheses, followed by the CSS rules you want to apply when that condition is true. For example, this media query checks if the maximum width is 768 pixels, which typically indicates a mobile device. Inside the curly braces, we hide the sidebar and make the main content full width. You can query many different conditions. The most common are screen width and height, which help you adapt layouts. Orientation detects whether a device is in portrait or landscape mode. Resolution lets you serve sharper images to high DPI displays. And prefers color scheme detects if the user has requested dark mode. These give you fine-grained control over your presentation. In practice, developers define breakpoints, specific widths where the layout changes. A common pattern is mobile-first design, where you write base styles for small screens, then use media queries to enhance the layout for tablets and desktops. This way, your site works everywhere from a tiny phone to a massive monitor. So media queries are CSS rules that apply styles conditionally based on device characteristics, making responsive design possible. Master them, and your sites will look great on any screen. Ready to practice more CSS questions? Keep learning. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.